Okay, a Proton preve installed for Cogoo T Series and 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM good fitting casing. OEM good fitting casing. So the casing color got 3 color. This is a matte black color, and also got a UV black color and a brown color. 3 color choice. Okay, 9-inch Android big screen, IPS screen, multi-angle view. Reverse camera. Okay, full menu. Setting. System. Android 9. 1GB RAM, 16GB storage. Okay, T3 version, T3L version, equaliser EQ. So it's 31 band. Video input and video output. Okay, Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Video. So you can play video. Press the home button. Press the square icon. Split screen. Press and draw it. So left right screen. Close the split screen. Styling control. Okay, nighttime turn off the screen. Scroll down, screensaver. Press anyway, turn it on. So this is Cogoo T Series, 1GB RAM, 16GB storage, 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM casing, OEM socket plug and play, connect steering control, RCA camera input. Buy one piece. Thank you.